Hi guys, so we're going to be looking at PEEP calculation in this video. What do you mean by PEEP? PEEP stands for percentage in points. It is the smallest standard price movement a currency pair can make in the forex market. Basically, PEEP is the movement made in the market. How many steps the market has moved? How many steps has the market taken? How far has the market gone? That is what is PEEP. We want to know how many pips the market has moved. From here to here, how many steps has the market taken? From here to here, how many steps has the market taken? What is the number of pips the market has moved? Pips is just the steps, the movement made in the market. So to calculate pips, we have the non-JPY pairs and we have the JPY pairs. Now let's start from the non-JPY pair because we're looking at Euro USD, and Euro USD is a non-JPY pair. It does not have JPY as the base of the quote currency. So it is a non-JPY pair. So when you have non-JPY pairs, the PEEP calculation starts from the fourth number after the decimal point. The PEEP calculation starts from the fourth number after the decimal point. So for instance, if the current market price of Euro USD is, let's assume, 1 point, yeah, this is where you see your prices. So this is where you see your prices. Okay, let's use the current market price that we're seeing here. 1.1694. Okay, let me write it out. 1.16950. This is the current market price. And we say the market has moved. Okay, I want to explain to you guys something. They said PEEP calculation starts from the fourth number after the decimal point. And here we have how many numbers? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This last number, this 0, is called a pipette. We don't use it. So you just take it out. What we are left with is 1.1695. Do you understand me? So if I say the market has moved 5 pips, the market has moved 5 pips now, it will be plus 5. It has moved 5 pips upward, which will make the new market price to be 1.1700. This is simple mathematics. This 1.1695. So it's starting from the last number of the decimal point, the fourth number after decimal point, which is this 5. You add 5 plus 5 is 10. You cannot use 10 now. We put 0. You approximate. This 6 now will change to 7 to be 6 plus 1. That's it. It's simple mathematics. If you don't know math, you can ask YouTube or something. It's just simple math. Now if the current market price is 1.1700 and the market has moved 3 pips, I'm using 3 because I want you guys to understand something. It will be plus 3, which is equals to 1.1703. Means that the calculation starts from the fourth number after the decimal point. The fourth number, basically the last number after we have removed the pipette. The fourth number, I use 3 so that there will be no approximation, so that you guys will know that it starts from the fourth number. Now we have 1.1703 plus, let's say the market moves okay, now let's do like the market is selling. Let's just like that. Let's say the market moves 20 pips backwards, minus 20. Who can tell me the current market price? The current market price will now be 1.1703 minus a very simple way. You can now decide to do 0.0002 0.0020 just to get the figure. Just turn this one to like the same decimal, because this 20 now, we are going to have start our calculation backwards from the fourth number. So you can just do it as 0.0020, then it will give you 1.1683. Do you understand? It's just very simple. You just minus it. It moves 20p backwards, so you just minus it. But all these things are old ways of doing things. We no longer calculate manually. We have trading view. This is trading view, and trading view has lots of tools. And there is a tool that helps us to calculate pips. Like once we just set the tool, it's called a position tool, either the long position or the short position. The long position is for when you want to buy. You use the long position when you want to buy. The short position is used when you want to sell. Do you understand me? So now let's use the short position tool. Let's place it here. Let's place it here. There now. Yes, okay, let's place it here. So this orange box represents our stop loss. Means that if price goes against us, once it gets here, once it gets to this price, it will close. You just when you're taking an entry, I'm going to teach you guys how to place trades on Meta 5. I'm going to do a video on it so that you guys will understand me better. When you're taking an entry here, you're going to have your entry price. Where this line is demarcating your stop loss and your target, your entry price. So now in this chart, our entry price is 1.170657. Our stop loss is 1.17183. Then our target, we're targeting 1.16592. So now we want to know how many pips is our entry price to our target. How many pips is our target from our entry price? Automatically it has been calculated for us. As we can see here, it is 47. You can see the 47 there. It is 47. It has been calculated for us. These two just automatically brings out the number of pips. It means that if market moves from here to here, it has taken 47 steps rather. 47 moves. If market moves from here to here, our stop loss is 11 pips. It means that market has taken 11 moves, 11 steps. So pips is just the number of steps that the market has taken. So from this our entry price, from this 1.17067 to this 1.6592 is a division. I say is a subtraction rather. We are minusing if we want to calculate manually. But we have this tool that has automatically told us the number of pips. We don't need to calculate it. It is here, it is given. 47.5. It means that if market moves from here to here, it has taken 47 steps. So far now, let's see how many steps the market has taken. It has moved from here to here, from the entry price to here. It has taken 22 steps. Do you understand me? If you don't understand, ask question in the question chat. So pips is just how many steps the market has taken. So that's just it for the non-JPY pairs. Let's look at a JPY pair. Let me copy this. Let me go to a JPY pair. I'll paste it. Let's use GBP JPY. Okay. Good. Now, for a JPY pair, they said the pip calculation starts from the second number after the decimal point. Pip calculation starts from the second number after the decimal point. That's if you want to calculate it manually. So here the current market price is 208.558. 208.558. That's what I saw before. So now I told you guys that this last number is called a pipette. So we don't use it. We remove it. It is a pipette. So now the calculation starts from the second number after the decimal point. So we're going to start calculating from this 5. So now let's say the market moves 30 pips plus 30. That's going to be 208.55 plus 30. That's going to give us 208.55 plus 208.55 plus 30. That's 208.85. Am I right? Yes, calculating it, 208.55 plus 30 is going to give us 208.85. Abi?